Good day everyone, locked out of your own money in PayPal. So in this year, fraud detection is aggressive. If you're seeing the "we're having trouble making sure it's you" message, the system thinks your connection is suspicious. So let us go through the steps to fix. So the first, just check your connection. If you're using a VPN, PayPal automatically flags most commercial VPNs as high risk, so turn it off. Then you can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data on your phone. This gives you a clean IP address that is directly tied to your cellular provider, which PayPal trusts much more than a public or shared Wi-Fi network. Then, if the connection isn't the issue, it's your browser. So you can just open up the incognito window right over here, and then just use it this way. And this bypasses old cookies that might be confusing the login. If that works, go back to your main browser and clear your cache and cookies for PayPal.com only. Press the Control-Shift-Delete, and there you go, just uncheck everything else apart from cookies and then just delete data. And also for the mobile app, so you can just use that. So the app uses the device binding, which is a stronger security signal than a web browser, making it much more likely to let you in. And if these don't work, just stop trying. If you fail five times, you'll get a 24-hour hard lock, so just wait it out. Try again on mobile data tomorrow, and you should be clear. These are the fixes. Hopefully they assist you in this matter. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.